To every kids out there, I just want you to know that you are more than you think. To the ones who sometimes feel small, to the ones who wonders if they're good enough, to the ones who think everyone else is faster, smarter, or even better, I need you to hear this. You are more than you think. You are more than a test score, more than a mistake, more than the time you didn't win. You have ideas in your mind that no one else in the world has. You have kindness in your heart that can change someone's whole day. You have strength inside you that hasn't been fully discovered yet. Every time you try again, even when it's hard, that's courage. Every time you choose to be kind, even when others ain't, that's leadership. Every time you believe just a little bit more in yourself, that's growth. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be the best. You just have to keep going. Because the truth is, there is something special about you that this world needs. So stand a little taller, dream a little bigger, and remember, you're braver than your fears, stronger than your doubts, smarter than you realize. You are more than you think. Always remember that. And if you needed this today, please save it or share it with someone who does. Thank you.